everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to create multiple folders at once. So first of all, what you have to do is simply open the destination in which you want to create multiple folders. You can see over here I'm already on it. So what you have to do is right click on it. Now you'll be able to find several options. Simply hover over the option New. You'll be able to find several options over here. Select the option for text document. Now you can name the text document if you want. Now what you have to do is open the text document, right click on it, click on the option open. Now you can see over here notepad will be opened. Now over here what you have to do is simply type in @echo space off, press enter. Now type in MD. Now simply type in the folder name. Here I'm just going to type in folder 1. If you want to type in the folder name with spaces, make sure to use the quotation. Simply open the quotation, enter the folder name, close the quotation. Now create the folder as much as you want. Now enter backslash, open the quotation, type in sub, folder, close the quotation. Now click on the option file, click on the option save as. Now type in the name over here. I'm just going to type in folder. Make sure to use the extension .bat. Now click on the option save as type. Click on the option all files. Now after doing that, click on the option save. Now over here the file for folder has been created. If you double click on it, you can see over here the folders will be created. So like this, you'll be able to create multiple folders at once. So that is how you create multiple folders at once. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.